In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in Outlook. Whether you need to send documents, images, spreadsheets, or any other file type, attaching files to your emails is quick and easy. This tutorial works for both the desktop version of Outlook and Outlook on the web, so you'll be able to follow along no matter which version you're using. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, start a new email by clicking the New Email button in Outlook. You can also attach files to existing emails by opening a message you want to reply to or forward. Once your email window is open, look at the message ribbon at the top. You'll see a paperclip icon, which is the universal symbol for attachments. Click on Attach File. In Outlook on the web, this button may simply say Attach. After clicking the Attach button, you'll see options to browse for files. Click on Browse this PC if you want to find files saved on your computer. If your files are stored in the cloud, click Browse Cloud Locations to access files from OneDrive or SharePoint. A file browser window will open. Navigate through your folders to find the file you want to attach. Once you've located your file, click on it to select it. Then click Insert or Open to add it to your email. The file will now appear as an attachment in your email message. Now, if you're attaching a file from OneDrive or SharePoint, Outlook gives you an extra option. You can choose to share the file as a OneDrive link, which allows recipients to collaborate on the same document in real time. Alternatively, you can attach it as a copy, which sends the file as a separate attachment, just like a regular file from your computer. Choose the option that works best for your needs, and that's it. You've now successfully attached the file to your email in Outlook. You can attach multiple files by repeating the process, and your recipients will be able to download or access them when they receive your message. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.